Today, 19 March 2025, Naga leaders comprising of all Naga Students Association Manipur ANSAM and its 17 constituent units representing 17 tribes and 2 subordinate units are here at Satang village, the exact location where the government of India has done the demarcation for the imposed border fencing construction. We are standing right here. And on this very day, Naga leaders and Naga people in Rilam area have come forward to strongly oppose the decision of the government. And we are taking off this resentment demonstration as part of the people's movement against scrapping of free movement regime and the imposed border fencing construction in Naga homeland. Why? To convey the strong message to the government of India to respect the framework agreement of government of India and Naga, which was signed on August 3, 2015, and to also remind them again and again to reinstate free movement regime, to respect our rights and history, to let them know that for the Nagas, wherever we are inhabited, we don't have border. The land belongs to Nagas. And to let them know that Nagas will oppose tooth and nail this sinister policy of the government of India to further divide the Nagas in Nagalim. Let the government hear the voice of the Nagas and stop the sinister policy to divide the Nagas in Nagalim. The government of India must take serious note on this. As a democratic country, they must create a room to hear our democratic voice concerning the rights, the legitimate rights of the Nagas, which is to reinstate FMR, to stop the imposed border fencing construction which is going on in Naga areas, and to respect the framework agreement signed between the government of India and the Nagas. Dear Nagas, let the government of India, government of Manipur, hear our legitimate rights and our voice. For the people of the Nagalim, reinstate! 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 Government of India, being a democratic country, they have signed an official agreement with the witness of the whole world. So they must respect the framework agreement. Respect! Framework agreement! Respect! Framework agreement! Respect! Framework agreement! And the order of the government of India to do the border fencing construction to divide the Nagas and Nagalim is against the rights and interests of the Nagas and Nagalim. So the government of India must stop this border fencing construction. Impose border fencing construction.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Impose border fencing construction.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Impose border fencing construction.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Kuknalim.
Kuknalim!
Kuknalim.
Kuknalim!
Kuknalim.
Kuknalim!
May God bless the Nagas. Kuknalim.
Kuknalim!